You look at your car parked in the driveway. You feel proud, but deep inside, there is a small, uncomfortable feeling. That feeling is the monthly payment. You tell yourself it is normal. But what if this payment is quietly destroying your future wealth? Every time you make a payment, you steal money from your older self. Most people never see this trap. By the end of this video, you will understand the true price of your car. And I will give you 2 actions to escape this trap forever. Here is the core idea. A monthly payment hides the real cost of anything. Your brain sees a small number, but the true cost is what that money could become in the future. You lose not only the money you pay, you lose all the growth that money would have given you. Let me explain with a simple story. Meet John and Mike. They are both 30 years old. John buys a new car for $40,000. His monthly payment is about $600. Mike buys a used car for $8,000 cash. He has no monthly payment. Mike invests $600 every month into an index fund. After 10 years, John has a car worth maybe $8,000. Mike has $110,000. John traded his future wealth for a nice car today. He did not see the hidden cost. Now you might say, but I need a reliable car. I agree, but the trap is not the car itself. The trap is the monthly payment that lasts for years. Psychologists call this payment decoupling. When you pay in small monthly amounts, you feel less pain. Your brain stops connecting the payment to the total price. Over a 6-year loan, you might pay $6,000 to $10,000 just in interest. That money disappears. Now, stop for a moment. Do you have a car payment right now? What could that money become if you invested it instead? A $500 monthly payment over 20 years becomes $300,000. Every $500 is $300,000 stolen from your retirement. Why do smart people fall into this trap again and again? We want status. We want to feel successful. The car companies and banks know this. They stretch the loan to 7 or 8 years so your payment feels small. You feel good because you can afford the payment, but you cannot afford the car. Most people never make a conscious choice about their car. The salesman asks, "What monthly payment can you afford?" You never ask yourself, is this car worth $300,000 of my future retirement? Now, here is the simple action. First, calculate your real car cost. Multiply your monthly payment by the months left. Add your down payment, insurance, and maintenance. Ask yourself, would you rather have that car or that cash today? If you choose the cash, you have a problem. Second, make a plan to escape. If your car payment is more than 10% of your take-home pay, sell the car. Even if you lose money, buy a cheap used car for cash. It will not impress your neighbors, but it will free up your monthly payment. Now invest that freed up money every month into a low-cost index fund. Do not touch it for 10, 20, 30 years. If you are 30 years old and stop a $500 payment at 8%, you will have over $1,200,000 by 65, all from stopping one car payment. Rich people rarely finance cars. They pay cash. Poor and middle-class people finance cars. They trade their future for a feeling today. You have a choice. Make the bank rich or make yourself rich. The choice is simple, but not easy. It requires driving an old car while your friends drive new ones. But remember John and Mike. After 10 years, who was happier? Now, look back at your car parked in the driveway. You felt proud before, but now you see the true price. You see the hours you worked. You see the trap. And once you see the trap, you cannot unsee it. Do you want to be John or Mike? Do you want a nice car today and nothing tomorrow? Or do you want an old car today and millions tomorrow? The choice is yours. Subscribe for more hard truths about money, because the truth will set you free. See you in the next video.